This is how I analyze Facebook ads metrics for a Shopee store to identify what you have done right or wrong and find the right angle to improvise your ads campaign.
For CTR is good, link clicks, CTR is good, clicks is good. Okay, go all the way, link clicks. So you see here. Hang on. Damn good clicks. Check that out.
Yeah.
But look at the add to cart. I mean, I wouldn't say it's not coming. Maybe it's the reporting issue. Maybe it's not happening over there. But okay, so now we see the big gap is really happening at, you have content view, you have clicks, but in terms of add to cart and all that activities, it's not really happening. Let me give you a few angles to look at this, right? So first thing first, you actually have 14,000 people who clicked, right, in total, but did not convert. Now, my next question to you here is that, do you have a tier 2 to retarget them?
Tier 2.
So that's the tier 2 is really going to help you do a lot of things. So 14,000 clicks, hang on. Content view, also at least we have 9,000 there, you see. This is where we try to illustrate the whole action funnel, try to find out where is the breakage.
Okay.
And now we sort of see it.